Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Tech Q. Today we are going to see about how to display the prices with the taxes in our OpenCart e-commerce systems. Now I am going to giving you the simple tips about how to display the product price with taxes. Normally that OpenCart system will not be display that product price display the product price without the tax systems. So for example, in our store I'm going to giving you some examples like in our store, choosing the one toy. This toy price is 949 rupees only. So this price is not including that this price is displayed not including the taxes. So we have to see that how the product will be stored in our systems. Just go to the admin panel and search the particular product and then search it. That product is available. Whether is this product, yes, this is for that product. So we are going to be edit. In before going to be edit, we have to see about what are the tax classes mentioned in our systems. So go to the systems, under the system localization, under the localization that having that like taxes. So taxes, under the taxes is tax class. The tax class we stored as two types of tax class. One is electronics and non-electronics. Under the electronics we stored as SGST, CGST and IGST, the same as the non-electronics items also. So in the rates of the particular tax items like CGST I stored as a 9 and SGST stored as a 9, CGST 6, SGST 6. So we have to vary it, like electronics item going to store as IGST of 18% and CGST, SGST is 9%, non-electronics is 6% and IGST is 12%. So this products is not, whether the mentioning in the tax classes or not, go to that particular product, just edit the particular product and then go to that data. In the data, whether the tax classes is mentioned or not, total price is 949 only. Tax class not yet mentioned, so we have to mention the tax class. Just select the tax class which tax class is applied for that product. Now I'm choosing electronics, so no, it's in non-electronic products, so now I'm choosing the non-electronics items. Just yes, non-electronics items. Just save that particular product and now go to the front end. Now just refresh it. Even though that tax is applied but not displayed in the storefront, so go to that shopping cart. In that shopping cart, that will be applied to the final confirmation page only, that is showing that CGST and SGST. So instead of that, we have to display that display that product price itself, including the tax items. So in that case, we have to follow the little bit. We have to follow the 5 steps to display that thing. One is for login to the admin panel. Second, for go to the systems and under the system, click on that settings option. So under settings, select the store and edit the store. In the store, the option box having that option box had provision to change that tax items. So go to the systems and under the system settings, just edit that particular product, then go to the options. In that options we have various various information to be set it up. So under the tax section, so in the tax section, display the prices with the tax. Now already selected no option, so we have to select the yes, display the prices with the tax. So also having the 2 more options like store address. Store tax will be calculated based on the shipping address or customer address. So we already defaultly it will be selected for shipping address only. So now choose on the yes option for display with the tax option. Go to the just save it and go to the storefront. Yeah, that's all. Once the changing this option, immediately changes the price display in the storefront option. Just reload that particular page. Yes, now it's changed 949 to 1062.88. So go to that yes, This option is subtotal is product price is 949 and CGST is 6% non-electronics item and SGST is 6%. Total price is 1062.88. That's the price. That's all for this video. If you want more information about OpenCart systems, any clarifications and all those things, please mention in that comment section. And if you like this video, press like button. If you dislike it, press dislike button. If you want to share with your friends, please click on the share button to share with your friends. Before signing out, please subscribe my channel, That Tech You. Thank you.